We are here in beautiful Trollhättan, Sweden, here with owner of Sandflo Golf, Johan Sandflo. Johan, tell us about your business.
My background is aerospace engineering, and we are a definition of a job shop. My passions are both golf and machining, so I thought to myself, hey, why don't I combine the two? Sandflo Golf is really a startup within the company. A few years ago, I said to myself, I have the knowledge and I have the machines, so why not try it out? I started out making some prototypes and leveraging social media to get some feedback.
Walk us through the manufacturing process for one of your putters.
The process really starts with CAD and CAM. And I thought there must be a more efficient way of doing this. So I went online, did some research, and then I came across Fusion 360 on social media. So I decided to give it a try. Fusion 360 is a complete end-to-end solution. It has CAD, rendering, collaboration, but most importantly, integrated CAM. And it was exactly what I was looking for, and more. It all starts with the CAD model. And from that CAD model, I can create a photorealistic image that I can post on social media. And after feedback, I can make the design changes and bring it out to the machine. So when I have the prototype in my hand, I buff it, bead blast it, and finally paint it. And then it's ready to test on the course.
Tell us what you like about Fusion 360.
The things that I love about Fusion 360 is the cloud, collaboration, and the community. With the cloud, I can access my files from anywhere. I can start my designs here at the job shop, and when I get home, I continue working just where I left off. I meet with my team every morning, and we use the Fusion 360 app to collaborate and plan the tasks for the day. From the YouTube channel and to the forums, the community has really helped me expand my knowledge within Fusion 360.
What's one piece of advice that you have for other makers or entrepreneurs out there looking to start their own business?
My advice would be, don't fear change. Technology has now evolved, and there's new tools out there to help you be more efficient. Fusion 360 helps your designs come to life and make it all within one solution. So Kurt, Fusion 360 has really helped my business evolve. So I want to give back to the team that's helped me along the way. So as a token for my appreciation, I want to give one of my putters to you.
Wow, even with the Fusion 360 logo engraved on the bottom. Johan, thank you again.
Thank you.
Here we are with Johan Sandflo, owner of Sandflo Golf. Thanks again, guys.